26 participants only. So since we have got the question as a revision, so I think it may be open. Okay. Then allow.
I love that. Since we are making the revision, syllabus is over, so we will ask this specifically.
Now they can unmute by that.
So, hello students, we are going to start the revision.
Yes,
The lesson was over, so today we have to start the revision. And which lesson? That is the fundamental unit of life. The fundamental unit of life. So this lesson is over. So you know about this cell, who invented this cell. You know name of the Robert Hooke. He cut the slice of the cork and observed some chamber-like structures and he given the name. These chamber-like structures are compartment as the cell. So after that, we studied about the two type of the cells. One is prokaryotic cell and other is eukaryotic cell. You know the difference between prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells? Difference between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell, and a difference in relation to the nucleus. Nucleus, a specific name is given to nucleus of the prokaryotic cell. You know what is the name? Nucleoid. Yes, nucleoid. So in prokaryotic cells, they do not have well-defined nucleus. In prokaryotic cells, they do not have well-defined nucleus, while eukaryotic cells having well-defined nucleus. And in prokaryotic cells, nucleus is represented by only the DNA, and it is here it is called as the nucleoid. So, what is well-defined nucleus? What is structure of the well-defined nucleus? Which part have well-defined nucleus? Anybody?
DNA.
Good morning. Good morning. A well-defined nucleus means having nuclear membrane. If
DNA.
nucleus is well-defined, they are having nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane,
Plasma membrane.
not plasma membrane. This is nuclear membrane. Well-defined nucleus. This is nuclear membrane. And others in nuclear membrane, know that this is the outer membrane, and inner membrane. And two parts, nucleus, and you know this is nuclear core. This is nuclear core. So these structures are found in the nuclear membrane. And others, you know, fluid is filled here. It is just transition just like the cytoplasm, and it is called nucleoplasm. This is nucleoplasm. And other structure, it is nucleolus, and some thread-like structures are there. So one structure nucleolus and thread-like structure is chromatin. Chromatin. So this is the structure of a well-defined nucleus. If such constituents of nucleus is present, we can say it is a well-defined nucleus. But in case of the prokaryotic cells, you know the examples of prokaryotic cells. Examples of prokaryotic cells. Examples of prokaryotic cells, you know, bacteria. Bacteria, green algae are the examples of prokaryotic cells. So here, in nucleus, these structures are present. So in case of prokaryotic cell, nuclear membrane, it is absent. This membrane, outer membrane is absent, nuclear membrane is also absent, and nucleolus, it is also absent. And here only DNA is present, and that DNA is called as the nucleoid. In prokaryotic cells, there is no well-defined nucleus, and it is represented by only the DNA, that is called as nucleoid. So, in case of the eukaryotic cell, such nucleus is present in prokaryotic cell. They do not have well-defined nucleus. Means they do not have nucleolus, nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, or the nuclear core. They do not have. And what do you say about the mitochondria? What do you say about the mitochondria? Prokaryotic cells have mitochondria. Prokaryotic cells do not have mitochondria, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, plastid. These structures are not found in prokaryotic cells. So this is, and now next, after about the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane. It makes the, suppose this is the cell, you are studying the cell. This membrane is called as the cell membrane. This membrane is called as the cell membrane. It is present in both plant cell and the animal cells. So it makes outermost boundary in animal cell.
Protective barrier.
In plant cell, it is found just below the cell wall. So this is plasma membrane. And what is the permeability of the membrane? Plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is selectively permeable in nature. Selectively permeable means it allows the movement of only of selective substances across it. But basically we use here term, we consider here plasma membrane as the semi-permeable membrane. So what happens when a cell is kept in a solution? We don't know the nature of the solution. We don't know the nature of the solution. Only we kept the cell in a solution. Three possibilities may be there. three possibilities may be there. Om Tiwari, what do you want to say? Om Tiwari, what do you want to say?
Sir, what are the chemical composition of nucleus?
What? Speak loudly.
The chemical composition of nucleus.
Not understanding, but difficult to hear what you are asking.
The chemical composition of nucleus.
Voice is not clear. Your voice is not clear. So, the cell is kept in the solution. Three possibilities may be there. One possibility, water will enter inside the cell. Water will enter inside the cell and cell become the swells up. Cell become the swells up. So one possibility is there, its cell become the swells up. And when it will swell, when more and more water enters inside cell. Actually, movement of the water takes place in both the direction. Outward direction and in inward direction both. This is also movement of water takes place by this way. So water movement takes place in both the direction of the cell, inside the cell and outside the cell. But movement of water inside the cell is more in comparison to movement of water outside the cell. That is why cell become swells up. If a cell swells up, then we can say that the solution in which cell is kept is hypotonic. Is hypotonic means there is less amount of the solute molecule outside the cell. And if the cell shrinks, it means more water moves outside from the cell in comparison to incoming water. This happens in the situation when there is hypertonic cells outside the cell. There is hypertonic cells, more concentrated cells outside the cell. And if they no change the shape of the cell, the solution is isotonic. So three type of the solution there, and on the basis of the observation, on the basis of the result, we can find the medium, whether it is hypertonic, hypotonic, or isotonic. I told you one time when I was telling you that when resin is kept in water. When resin kept in water, then what happens? This is very simple experiment you can do yourself. Keep the resin in the water and leave it for the overnight. And morning, you see that resin swells up. Why resin swells up? Because more and more water enters inside the cell. Water enters inside the cell. And this process is called the end osmosis. When movement of water takes place from outside to inside of the solution, it is called as the end osmosis. And when you keep the grapes when you keep grapes in concentrated sugar solution, and then find that the grapes become the snakes. Here, movement of water takes place from inside to outside the cell, and this is called the exosmosis. So, endosmosis and exosmosis. You can demonstrate materials are needed. One is grapes and other is resins, and make a concentrated sugar solution and pure water. In this way you can observe. So next, after plasma membrane, next one is cell wall. Next one is cell wall. You know, cell wall is found only in plant cells. Cell wall is found only in plant cells. Animal cells do not have cell wall. Next structure is cell wall. Next, cell wall. It makes the outermost boundary of plant cell. It is absent in animal cell. Presence or absence of animal cell. Presence or absence of cell wall is the main difference in the plant and the animal cells. Plant cells do not have cell wall, while plant cell have cell wall, while animal cells do not have cell wall. So this is the difference between the plant cell and the animal cell. So cell wall is permeable in nature, as plasma membrane is selectively permeable in nature. In the same way, cell wall is permeable in nature. It allows the movement of both solvent and the solute across the wall, across the cell wall. And the cell wall make a constant shape to the cell. You term have listen at the plasmolysis. Listen the term at the plasmolysis. Plasmolysis. When a plant cell is kept in a concentrate sugar solution or concentrate salt solution, then what happens? A cell is kept concentrate sugar solution, and then what happens? It's plasma membrane.
Strings.
Plasma membrane just below the cell wall, and the from the plasma membrane, water moves outside the cell. So after some time you will find such structures, and after some time you will find such structure. So here, this is plasma membrane. Plasma. Initially, its position was here, and this comes to this side. That will leave the cell wall. How it happens? It is semi-permeable in nature. Water molecules from this region to this region. As more and more water goes outside, it comes more away from the cell wall. And what will be filled here? This side solution will be filled. this side, in between this cell wall and the plasma membrane, there will be no space. This space is occupied by solution. This space is occupied by the solution. All the exchange of the material exchange of what takes place via the plasma membrane. So water molecules from the cytoplasm of the cell will moves into the solution via plasma membrane. So when this process start, it start leaving the cell wall. Plasma membrane start leaving the cell wall, and this process is called the plasmolysis. So one term is there incipient plasmolysis. When process of plasmolysis starts, means plasma membrane starts leaving the cell wall. It is called the incipient plasmolysis. This process is called incipient plasmolysis. And when cell completely leaves the cell wall and it shrinks, this is called the cell is called the plasmolyzed cell, and the process is called the plasmolysis. Once again, when the cell is kept in hypotonic solution, kept in water, then it regain its original shape. Plasma membrane regain the original shape, and this is called the deplasmolysis, and this cell is known as the deplasmolyzed cell. You know that the pickles, in the pickles salt is added. In the pickles salt is added. Why salt is added? Salt is added because salt makes the solution hypertonic. So when fungi or bacteria comes in contact with the pickles, it gets plasmolyzed. The same way, honey may be kept for a long time. Honey may be kept for a long time. Why? Because honey itself a hypertonic solution. When microbes come inside the honey, they get plasmolyzed itself. So that is why honey may be kept pure for a long time. And
Your voice is lagging. Your voice is lagging.
virus,
Your voice is lagging.
I speak loudly, voice is not clear.
You are not.
What?
Say your voice is lagging.
What asking voice?
Lagging.
She is telling that your voice is lagging.
Oh,
It is breaking in between your voice.
I think network problem may be there. In between, otherwise it is okay here from inside. So,
That's the video also like.
and having about the plasmolysis. Now, next class we have to study about the mitochondria. You know about the mitochondria. Now you can listen properly me.
Yes, sir.
So next we have to study about the cell organelles. Mitochondria. One question is there. Which cell organelles having extra nuclear DNA? Anybody know? Tell these cell organelles having extra nuclear DNA.
Sir, mitochondria and plasticytes.
Mitochondria and
Mitochondria and plastids.
Plastid.
is correct.
Plastic.
Plastids, mitochondria and plastids.
Mitochondria and plastids are These cell organelles having their own DNA.
DNA.
That is called an extranuclear DNA. So, if mitochondria, which type of the cell having mitochondria? Which type of the cell having mitochondria? Prokaryotic cell or eukaryotic cell are both?
Eukaryotic cell.
Is correct. It is mitochondria is found to only in
Eukaryotic.
Eukaryotic cell.
eukaryotic cell. So if structure to that it consists of membrane, two membrane structures are double membrane structure. One is outer membrane and another is inner membrane. You know what is Christie? Christie. Such that is outer structure and this cord, this structure called Christie. It is Christie and it having oxysomes and it bring about the process of the respiration. You know that the two type of respiration is there, aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Mitochondria is set for the aerobic respiration. Mitochondria is set for the aerobic respiration. You know that there extranuclear DNA is there, ribosomes may also be there, and then enzymes are there. So here, this is commonly called as the powerhouse of the cell. Here, energy is produced in the form of ATP. Energy is produced here in the form of ATP. And it is commonly called as the powerhouse of the cell. It is present only in eukaryotic cells. Now next we can ask some questions, so it will be easy for me. What question we have to the questions what is given in our book. Now first question, who coined the term cell? You know very well. Who coined the term cell? No. Robert Hooke.
Robert Hooke.
Yes, correct.
Robert Hooke. Voice not clear.
Organism.
1857.
Next, organism lacking
In 18.
are called.
Voice not clear.
Organisms lacking two
Still,
nucleus
it's not
called
clear.
65.
prokaryotes.
Clear.
Who proposed cell theory? Who proposed cell theory?
Voice.
Swal.
Voice not clear. Voice not clear. Schleder and Swan.
Schleder and
Eden is Scaman.
Leiden and Swan, sir.
Schleder and Swan.
Leiden and Swan.
Slider Swan, you told the correct answer. So I have time to discuss one more cell organelle is there. Let me discuss more cell organelles. One is plastic. Plastids. These are present in plant cell or animal cell or both.
Animal cell.
Both, sir.
Animal cell.
Only plant cell. Only plant cell.
Sir,
Oh.
plant cell. Plant
Only,
cell.
only in
Sir,
plant cell.
plant cell.
Animal cell.
Plant cell.
Only in plant.
Bacteria is plant or
Plant cell.
animal?
Anything.
Bacteria is plant or animal?
Sir, plant
Plant.
cell.
Of them.
Sir, plant, sir.
Sir,
Plant.
plant cell.
Yes, correct. Bacteria is plant. Understanding? Why bacteria is plant cell? Why bacteria is plant cell?
Sir, your voice is lagging.
Sir, your voice is
Lagging,
not
sir.
coming.
Sir,
Video
lagging.
and audio
Sir,
both.
Network bandwidth is
Sir,
low.
video also so much lagging.
So video and audio both are breaking.
is not clear.
Bacteria is plant because it has cell wall. Organisms having cell wall are called plants.
Cells.
Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Bacteria is plant because bacteria having cell wall. So in plant state,
Sir, definition of hypotonic. Sir, definition of hypotonic.
bacteria is prokaryotes. So
Sir, your voice is lagging.
bacteria
So why
Sir,
are you not
definition of
listening to us?
hypotonic.
Network low.
One network problem.
plant cells.
Sir,
Sir,
why
you are not audible.
All of you mute yourself, then it will be audible.
Hello.
All of you mute yourself.
Plant cells. How many days
Sir, voice
types
is not
of
coming
plant-
clearly.
Plastids are mainly of the three types. These are three types. One is leucoplast.
chloroplast?
Correct. Chloroplast.
Chloroplast.
Also, sir.
Chromoplast.
Chromoplast. Yes, sir.
Leucoplast.
Types of the plastids are-
Chromoplast.
Leucoplast. It is what is color? It is colorless plastic.
Colorless.
It is colorless plastic. What is function of this plastic? What is the function of leucoplast?
Sir, your speak is here.
Video is stuck.
Leucoplast store the food. And in which form food is stored? Three forms: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Three forms. So in this way, it is colorless, and leucoplast main function is to store food materials. Food material is stored in the form of carbohydrate, proteins, and the fats. So in this way, there are three types of the leucoplast are also. One is amyloplast. Amyloplast, which is stored in carbohydrates. Proteinoplast is stored in protein. Chloroplasts stores the fats. So three types of plastics are there. And this is chloroplast. It is green plastic. It is green color plastic. And next one is plastic. It is colored, but its color is other than green. So you know function of chloroplast. Chloroplast is this color, so it makes for the plants. And next one is chromoplast. Chromoplast is color.
Repeat again.
Its color is other
Please
than
repeat again.
green. It helps in the pollination of the plants, and it makes the plant attractive. And you know that one time plastics will be changed another type of plastic. The color of mango is green, and letter color become yellow or the red. The same way in case of the chilies,
Yellow.
it is the green in color due to presence of the chloroplast. A letter, it is red in color due to the chromoplast. So in this way, and also you know that the plastic having the DNA, extranuclear DNA and ribosome. So thank you. That's for today.
Thank
Sir,
you,
can I
sir.
ask a question?
Thank you, sir.
Last question.
Thank you,
Sir.
sir.
Sir,
This time,
one
Thank you,
doubt.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Exam will come on
Thank you, sir.
thank you very
Thank you, sir.
much.